passed out?
No, I just texted him.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Burns!
What's up, buddy?
You pulling out the drive shaft?
Yes, sir.
So we can get that,
We're doing the pinion seal on this.
Oop, there we go, focus phone.
And
the axle seals.
the axle seals, and then we put the drive shaft back in and put the rear tires back on and torque them down, and I believe pretty soon you're gonna start welding tips on this thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably, while you're doing this, I'm gonna probably fuck with the exhaust to try to get it where we
A
want
little
it.
fluid.
Oh, yeah, we didn't need to pull that out of there
We didn't pull the drive shaft out.
from the rear end.
Yeah. Usually when somebody says pull the drive shaft out,
Yeah.
let's pull the drive shaft out. What the fuck?
Okay. Burns, are you working on your pull-out method?
You know, it didn't work out twice, but so far it's working out pretty
You're
good.
pulling out your long shaft.
Yeah, so I'm getting ready to pull the axle shafts out.
Oh, yeah.
So it's kind of stuck in there. So you kind of,
That works.
scuzziness.
Remember
That's-
the, remember our little secret where we use the drum like a slide hammer, too?
Yeah, well, this wasn't that bad. This was actually just stuck in there. That's because of all the...
Did they silicone the bejesus out of this?
No, it doesn't look like it, thank God.
Yeah.
Or did they?
Yeah.
I didn't see it. Let me
Get
go
the light.
grab the other light.
Get the light. Just give me the light.
Whoa. She left the light on underneath the hood.
Sorry.
Pulled the nick, except you weren't taking
Well, I
it.
finished the rockers, and then I was like, Burns, you'll finish this up.
Oh, yeah, they did. That's why I had a little suction on it.
That's
Other side's probably going to be the same way then.
piss poor work. If you do this work,
You need to get out of the
here,
business.
pull out. Pull your shaft out
Hey,
there.
hold the light.
Oh, yeah.
That's scuzzy.
That's disgusting.
That's old.
Wow. Let's talk about piss poor mechanical work.
Oh, that's burnt.
Oh, burnt gear oil? All right, we might. Wow. Really? Really, people?
So, somebody had a leak. Somebody cleaned it probably when they did the brakes.
Just threw silicone in it and sent it.
Yep.
Oh, this would be fine. No, idiot.
It's not that hard to get the parts for it.
It's not that hard to get the seal out.
No, it's not. Actually, what was it? A couple months ago was my first time.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh shit. I knew it was easy, but fuck.
You pulled out your cock ring for the first time?
You know.
Are we going to pull out on the other side, too?
It's already basically ready to go if you want to come on
Ooh,
by.
yeah, let's go see if that side's fucked, too. Sorry, Scotty's not here to tell me about my language.
Quality stuff.
I'm just being a brat.
Oh, yeah.
Is it? Oh, of course it is.
Same shit.
No.
Same song and dance.
Stupid people, yay!
Well, it's a good thing that we're around.
Because we're not stupid people.
No, then you can just tell.
I'm pretty sure there's some people that think we are on YouTube. And you know what they can do?
Come do our work.
Yeah, come on over. We'll have a nice conversation.
No conversation. Put your money where your mouth's at.
Yeah, get to work and we'll sit over here and drink beer and heckle you.
That sounds like fun.
I want to talk crap and drink beer all day.
All right.
I mean, we're good at that. We've done that a lot in our days.
Oh, yeah.
But, wow. All right, so we got some silicone cleaning to do. Lovely. Oh, God, people. Hey, guess what? If you do this... What a bunch of